About a year ago, actually to be more exact, probably about maybe 2.5 years ago, Apple released what is known as the Apple HomePod. For all intent purposes, it was basically a smart speaker that has Siri integration that basically tied into a lot of the Apple services, such as the Apple Music and so forth. Well, this year Apple stepped up their game a little bit further, and they introduced what is known as the HomePod Mini, which is a smaller version of the Apple HomePod, and it's smaller, cheaper, and so forth. And Apple's kind of hoping that more people will use and purchase this particular speaker, maybe to place into all the various rooms in their house, so that you can use it for an intercom system, and then allow, I guess, users of your household to be able to play different music in different rooms and so forth. What's up, everyone out there? It's me again, your boy Seti from Seti Knows Tech, and today we're going to take a look at the HomePod Mini to see exactly what this is and how well does it work and so forth, how does it sound and things of that nature. So before we get into any of that, you know what time it is. Cue my intro. The Apple HomePod Mini, at least in my opinion, is more of a speaker that is meant to, be a companion to maybe a larger HomePod and so forth. Like for instance, we purchased a couple of them so that we can kind of place into our bedroom, the children's bedroom, and things like that. Because we have our larger HomePod more centralized in the house, so that everybody can enjoy it. But the smaller HomePod, the minis, can go into the various bedrooms, so that we can actually enjoy our music, interhook them all up so that we use them as an intercom system and so forth. At least that's what Apple is kind of selling the HomePod Mini to be, more of a companion device to your larger HomePod, to kind of build a all-encompassing system of, smart speakers that's all tied into the Apple ecosystem. So we went out to the Apple Store. Online, they had a long wait. For some reason, it was talking about, you wouldn't be delivered to December, even though we know Apple is known for kind of stating one thing, saying, it's going to be much worse, and then you actually get a lot sooner. But went into the Apple Store, they had them in stock, so I picked up a couple, and so let's go ahead and take a look at and do an unboxing right off the bat. So as you can see, the HomePod Mini is actually very small compared to the HomePod itself. They come in a couple colors. They had the white, the space, gray or black, whatever you want to call it. At the time of this recording, the Apple Store I went to, they only had the white, which I was cool with, So I picked up a couple of those. So let's go ahead and unbox it. As you can see on the front of the box, it says HomePod Mini. If I rotate it around, this has different views of the HomePod. The HomePod Minis are, I believe, $99 or $99.99. Basic $100. Let's just round these numbers out. Basically, $100 per mini HomePod. The Apple Care Plus for it, so that it's under warranty. I believe it was 15. I paid $15 a piece for them. So you might say out the door it's about 115 if you're going to get the warranty plus whatever tax your location charges and so forth. So it's in a cute little box and so forth. It's wrapped in plastic. There's no pull tab, so we'll have to use a knife to kind of get into it. And let's take this plastic off. Put that to the side. And there we go. And there you have it. The Apple HomePod Mini. It's a cute little thing, it's a little bit speaker. That's basically what it is, Kind of get a close look up on here. On the top here is the little display that, Siri kind of interacts with, at least shows the multicolors of Siri and so forth. On the bottom here, it's just like the base where you will stand this up at. If you take off the little sticker, you see there's the trademarked Apple logo. It has a wire connection, so it's not a removable wire, so you can't remove the power cable and plug it back in. It's actually attached to the actual HomePod Mini. And it has it's a USB-C connector. So let's see, does it come with a charging brick? It comes inside the box. It comes with this little tab here. It comes with some literature, you know, stuff that I never read. It does come with a USB-C power brick, which is crazy to me because they include the power brick in the box for the HomePod Mini, but they took it out the box for the iPhone, the new iPhone 12s. Yeah, that part. But anyways, it does come with a USB-C charger or charging brick that you will plug, you know, into your cable here, and that will go into the wall. And that's all that's literally in the box. So basically in the box is some literature, your actual HomePod Mini, and a brick. Like I said, the cable is attached physically to the HomePod Mini, so it's not one of the tabs you can just pull out and so forth. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set this up, hook it into my account, get this all stood up so we can kind of hear some music quality from the HomePod Mini and things like that, just to kind of get an idea how well it sounds and things like that. So be right back. So we finally got it all set up and got it running. Setting up the HomePod Mini was actually extremely easy. We simply plugged the wall cable into the wall itself. The HomePod Mini turned on. I simply turned on my iPhone, and as soon as I did, the iPhone recognized the HomePod Mini. You saw a little menu pop up, so like if you have like the AirPod Pros or AirPods, that little menu that automatically sets up and pairs the two together. It did it without me doing anything. It did ask me approximately like, you know, what location will I put this HomePod Mini at. So I selected a location and it did everything else on its own. I guess it connected to my Apple services, music account, and all that kind of stuff. No problem. So, you know, thumbs up to Apple for, you know, making this thing a painless process. So we got it all stood up. It did have an update initially, so it did, you know, initial update, kind of, I guess, updating all the firmware and some of the software that's on the actual HomePod Mini and so forth. But now that we have it in place, everything is kind of ready to go. So let's listen to basically how does it sound, how well does it play back music and things like that. So hey Siri, play All I Want for Christmas from Mariah Carey.
All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey now playing.
I'm going to turn up some so we can kind of hear.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need.
I like this.
I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know.
By far one of my favorite Christmas songs
Make my wish
for the season.
come true.
That was awesome. The bass, you can hear the bass, you can hear the highs, you can hear the lows. That's a lot of music coming out of one little HomePod. That was nice. That was nice. It's not as loud, as of course, as the bigger HomePod, but if you're just in your room or something like that and want to play some music or something, you can just, you know, talk to it and things like that. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 1:39 p.m.
Okay. Hey Siri, What's the weather like today in New York City?
It's currently clear and 46 degrees in New York, New York. Expect mostly clear skies starting tonight. Temperatures will be fairly consistent, averaging about 46 degrees.
So as you can see, it's got all the Siri integration. It has the, your services. So if you're subscribing to like Apple Music, like we are, you have all that. This part of your HomePod. So that is awesome. I'm impressed with the quality that came off the speaker. That was nice. That was really nice. What this is great for, I think this will be I think this is going to sell well for Christmas. This is like a great present for somebody who's in the Apple ecosystem, so especially if you got like an iPhone or like an iPad or something like that, and you are MacBook, and you just automatically subscribe to the Apple ecosystem. I think these things they're going to sell great for over the holiday season, just because it works seamlessly with the Apple services anyway. So with that said, yeah, it's like I said, it's $99 for the HomePod. So you basically say $100 for the HomePod, or HomePod Mini, not the HomePod. I think the HomePod itself, the larger one, I want to say is either $199 or $299. I seen them on sale as low as $199, but I don't know if that's now the new price for it, or was that like a sales price. So I seen them as low as $199, but I believe when I purchased mine, it was $299. But that was, like I said, that was about a year ago. So, but can it work independently of a HomePod? Do you have to have a bigger HomePod to make this work? Absolutely not. You can just have this and use it by itself, along with your, Apple Music and all that kind of stuff. So you're not required to have a larger HomePod to make this work. I know that I got that question from somebody. Do I have to have a larger HomePod to make this work? I do know if you have more than one Mini or HomePod or HomePod Mini, they can all kind of work together. If you have them kind of set up maybe in the room to kind of give you kind of more fuller sound around the room, you can. The HomePods will kind of play off each other. They kind of balance the sound out and so forth across the room. You can use this as an intercom system. So let's say you have a HomePod Mini in one room and you're in another room and you want to communicate, talking to a HomePod in another room to kind of get the attention of the person that's in that room. You can use it as like an intercom system and so forth. And that's kind of what we're going to use it for. A lot of times right now we got the kids, they're all in the living room listening to music. They get to fighting because they want, the HomePod to play a particular song that they want to play, and the other person doesn't want to listen to it. Now, once, we're going to give them as Christmas gifts, but once, Christmas is up, they can put their own HomePod minis in their room, go in their room, listen to whatever music they want to, and things of that nature. So I think they're going to be a great Christmas gift. They're not too expensive to give and so forth. So, I give a thumbs up to Apple. I like this a lot. I really like how it sounds and everything about that. So big ups to Apple for that. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content and want to hear more about it, please just consider subscribing to my channel, hitting that like button, and hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon, so you will know when I push more content up to the channel. Happy holidays, and until the next one, as always, stay geeky, stay techie. SETI out.